Hi guys! Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. So, I'm back. I'm so sorry I was gone for a couple of weeks, months, days, hours, minutes. But we're back. So, it's Bridgerton season. So, my friend and I, we need to watch it. So, we have really scheduled a dedicated time and day. And we have this staycation. Just for the Bridgerton premiere. Just for the Bridgerton watching. So, let's start! Hi guys! So, this is the room tour. So, hello, 50 pesos. This is a queen size bed. Good enough. The TV. They have the window and we have a balcony. This is the balcony. View outside. This is the sink. And what's in here? Nothing. This is too tall to be accessible. But space saver. The ref. Nice. We have water. This is the bathroom. Good enough. Pwede na. My friend is preparing the peanuts. We don't have any snacks but the peanuts.
Mga mani namin. Ay! Mga pangit pakinggan. Ako yung magbibigay ng sign-in code.
So guys, we're struggling to get her Netflix account. Life is getting harder. We just want to watch Bridgerton. Bridgerton season 3.
Instructions sa buhay.
Hi guys, so we got out. We will get dinner. I don't know why I kept on making intros outside na maingay. Yun lang. Parang grilled chicken yan. Mas maraming option dun eh. Saan tayo nag-cafe nun? So, this staycation place has a very pretty entrance. It's like an old mansion.
Young ladies will have your plumbers to
Breakfast.
unthinkable depths.
And Bridgerton season 1 for breakfast. Hi guys, so it's like 12 noon maybe, and we're about to leave the hotel. We had so much fun. Hi guys, we're checking out. I know this vlog is like, I don't know, half a vlog. I don't know. Just bear with me. we decided to drop by this cafe. So it's cozy and it's cute.
Morning, Mom.
So after checking out, we went to this cafe and spent a little time here. After that, we went home. So we had fun. Season 3 was fun. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog. See you on the next one. Love lots.